Hello all, once again welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you a recipe which is fall under the category of starters. It's a potato Manchurian. So as you can see it is a very crispy and colorful recipe. Who usually we all like Manchurian categories like baby corn Manchurian and gobi Manchurian. So with a different little different way of doing I'm going to show you this potato Manchurian. So before getting to the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button to on your notification. The same way, if you like this video, don't forget to share with your family and friends. So here, first of all, as you can see, I have taken two big potatoes and I am peeling off the skin nicely. So you need not to boil and boil or cook or anything, just the normal potato, just peel off initially and you have to clean it, thoroughly wash it with the water. So these two potatoes may serve 2 to 3 people. So based on the quantity, you can go ahead. See, I have washed it thoroughly with water. Now I am going to grate it. So grate it as small as you can because we are going to make it as small Manchurian balls. So like this, and there will be moisture in this. If it is a more water content like the starch, you can just squeeze it off little. So I have made ready of potato. Now I'm shifting this to a ball. So in the same ball, I'm going to add other ingredients like 2 to 3 tablespoons of maida, and then to this again I'm adding 3 tablespoons of corn flour. And this proportion of corn flour and maida you can adjust here and there. If you want more softy, you can go ahead adding one more extra maida, or else if you want more crispy, you can go ahead adding one more spoon extra corn flour. Then I added salt to the taste, and I am adding chili powder. So if you are a spice lover, you can go ahead adding little more chili powder. Here I have added half tablespoons of chili powder. The measurement I am giving you very roughly because based on the potato quantity I am going ahead taking the spices, and finally I am adding jeera powder. And I suggest you to add jeera powder to the fry items like this because jeera, one thing, it will add very good taste to the whatever recipe we are making. Second thing, it's very good for digestion part. So as much as you can try to add this jeera powder on in your all frying recipes, and go ahead with mixing very finely, and then after you have to make balls like Manchurian balls out of this mix like this. So it's first, like once you are ready with this ingredient, you go ahead making all the balls, then we'll proceed with the frying process. See, I have made all the Manchurian balls here. So now we'll go ahead frying these Manchurian balls. So here I have taken a kadai and I am pouring enough oil here. Though it will not absorb more oil, but we have to use oil little more because it all has to dip finely to fry it out. So slowly leave your that Manchurian balls and fry it to golden brown. And make sure you'll keep your flame in the low flame because potatoes have not cooked. So in this oil itself, it has to be cooked finely. So keep it in low and start frying. So you can see here, nice golden brown color all our potato manchurians has turned into. So now you can take it from the oil. See, like this. So the same way all the mix we will be doing as a potato Manchurian balls. See, crispy Manchurian balls are ready. Now we'll further move ahead to make the gravy part for the Manchurian. So in the same kadai, I am using 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. I try to use oil little less because already Manchurian balls will have the oil when you go ahead adding them. So anyway, it will release the oil. So to this oil, I am going to add this ginger garlics, finely chopped ginger garlic, and then curry leaves. So give a nice mix. Once you start feeling the nice aroma, then you can go ahead adding little chili flakes. So as I mentioned like before the zira powder, even this chili flakes also will add very good taste to your this kind of Manchurian fries. And it's like you can easily make it at home itself if you don't unable to get it from the market. And further to this, I am adding onions also. Onions, if you observe, I have cut them into little bigger pieces, like a little square bigger pieces, because to these kind of Manchurian fries, these shape of cuttings will give you more a mix. That will make mix more delicious. And I also added capsicum here. The same way, capsicum also I have cut into square, little bigger shapes. So this all together you have to allow it to fry 5 to 10 minutes. You can make out once you feel it is get cooked, then go ahead adding little salt to the taste and make sure you will not add more salt because Manchurian balls already have the salt. And now we will be adding sauces. So initially I'm adding chili sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of chili sauce, and then tomato sauce. I have a sweet and salt tomato sauce here. That's why I'm adding this. And along with that, soya sauce also I have added. And if you have this tomato ketchup separately, like sweet and spicy separately, you can go ahead adding both. So like this, and this mix we have to allow to boil 5 to 10 minutes again nicely, so that the gravy will have that all the mix well. See, you can make out when the onions get like transparent, that is the time where you can go ahead with adding your Manchurian balls. So like this. So hereafter, like you have to give a thorough mix to this gravy and Manchurian balls. So one more thing is like if you want very crunchy, crispy Manchurian, then you just give very fine mix for 2 to 3 minutes and just go ahead with off the flame. Or if you want very softened Manchurian kind, then you can just mix it well, then close it for 5 minutes on the flame itself. Then it will become little more softy kind of Manchurian. And finally, I'm adding here coriander leaves. And coriander leaves always suggested to add at the last because the aroma will holds back with the recipe. Otherwise, when you put it in the while cooking itself, the particular smell of this coriander leaves will go off. So that's why. So now our colorful potato Manchurian is ready here, ready to serve. So I hope this you all like this video and it's very easy process. Please give a trial and those who did it don't forget to mention your comments under our comment section and also share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button. Thank you so much for watching.